Hello all. In this video, we are going to see what are the different Google tips and tricks. The first important tips and tricks will be the advanced search. Now we'll see that in detail. Just launch the Google homepage, go to settings and just simply press the advanced search. Many could have heard about it or many could have tried it, but today we'll see in detail. So in this one, in case if you want to search with that any particular word, you can use this all this word. In case if you don't have to include any words, something like that, you can use the different options. Okay, now we are going to see the we are we can narrow our search results. It's very simple. In case if you are going to see the results only in as any certain language, use this language options. Same way, your search should be in particular region. Let it be India, let it be Pakistan, or let it be US. Just go for the region. And also, in case if you want to have the your results only in the last update, very recent, let it be within a week, or within a 24 hours, within a month, you can go for this option. Same way, we can use this file format effectively. Your file search should be only for PDF. Then just simply click on the any format. Just simply click this PDF. Then just type your words Java tutorial. Simply click the advanced search. All your results will be PDF items. It's very simple. Now the same way, if you want to filter out for PPT, just change this file type to PPT. You will get all the search items in the PPT. Now we are going to the see about tools options. Okay, in Google we are having the tools options. Tools option, it's very simple, and if we can get the effective search results. Same way, we can go for any time and all results we can get it. Now this tools options will be very helpful if we go for the images. Let me go with the images options. Let me type the Taj Mahal. In case if you want only the HD wallpaper, just simply click the tools option. Just change the size to large. All the results will get only the high resolution wallpaper. If you see here, just 250 into 1666 and then 1600 like that. All the images would be high resolution image. Now, if you want to have any color related search, just choose the color, whichever color you want to do it. The results will be modified accordingly. Same way, if you are searching for some sort of line drawing or GIF art, same thing will get appeared over here. The related image, you know about the Google. Okay, this is how you can modify your search by using the tools options. Okay, now there is another tab, options. We can call it as options. In case if you want to get the all the details related to this particular image. Okay, let me go for all images. Let me try to filter out all these just searches. Just simply right click and search Google for image. It will give all the related data. Okay, so what is this image is all about, and what is the image size, and if you want the other data also, it will be shared. Okay, now we will be moving on to the next tip. The next tip is very simple and effective. This address bar in Google Chrome, we will call it as a Omnibox. We can use Omnibox as a calculator or the unit converter, something, even as we can use it as a search engine. Okay, so first we'll in case if you don't know what to do it, okay, just in numbers, just press 1 2 3 4 into 3. It will give the result. You can use the Omnibox as the calculator. Now we'll move on to the other tips. The other tip is, in case if you don't know how to read the numbers, then you can use this tip. I don't know how to read a number with six zeros. Now what I need to do is just press what number I need to pronounce. Just one, one, two, three, one, two, three. Just simply type equal to English. It's very simple. It will give you the results how you to pronounce in case if it is a number. Same way you can try it for different numbers as well. Okay. Just randomly I'm typing some numbers. Okay. This is how you need to read it in case if it is a number. 9,578,960,925. This is how you are going to read this number. Next, by accident. The next tip would be by accident. If I closed this tab, if I reopen the tab, it's very pretty simple. Just press Ctrl Shift T. The closed tab will get opened automatically. Okay, there are many times we will face this Chrome will get hanged. Okay, so now I need to open the task manager to kill or close the Chrome to get it. But Google Chrome have a inbuilt task manager. It is very pretty simple. Just press Shift Escape. If you press the Shift Escape, you will get the inbuilt task manager. You can, if you want to close or if you want to end process anything, you can just simply press any process and just simply close it. This is the inbuilt task manager built by Google Chrome. Just you have to do it, Shift Escape. Now the next tip would be making your Chrome as a notepad. Okay, so for that we are having one command, just data text slash html content editable. Just simply press it. Okay, you will turn your Chrome into a notepad. You can type anything randomly. Okay, so you can easily change your Chrome into a notepad. Okay, for that one you have to type this command. In case if you don't want to remember, don't worry, just type this command one time and press bookmark button and it will get bookmarked. Okay, now the next tip would be changing or saving the your web page into a PDF format. It's very simple. Now there are, for future reference, some people want to save the web page into a PDF. Okay, they want to search it. Okay, they might for future reference they don't know how to get access. It's very simple. Just simply press Ctrl P. In case if you have configured for printer, just choose the option to save as PDF and just simply click save button. Automatically your web page will get saved into PDF. You can open that PDF for future reference. Okay, so this will be the another tab. Now the next option will be like, we will get bored. Okay, we'll get bored, we need to play some games during to get our refresh. Okay, so that time my favorite dino game is there. Okay, the dino game will get displayed only in case if network is not there. Okay, but there is an option you can open the dinosaur game even the network is there. For that, just simply press Chrome colon, just simply type the dino and our favorite dinosaur will game appear and you can start playing it. And in case if you want to play some other small games, it's very simple. Just type flip a coin. Let me go with flip a coin tips and we'll go for the game tips. You want to flip a coin, just simply flip a coin. It will come up with the flip a coin. Now we are having some other inbuilt tools and then games. If you want to try for spinner, just simply click the spinner and you can spin it. If you want to more spin fast, come fast. Let me try what it come. Okay, 5. Okay, so this is how you can use the spinners. You can use the calculators, roller die, different options. Now we'll go to the games and toys options. We'll be having a many interesting games. You can try it. Let me try Tic Tac Toe. Okay, it's draw. Same way we are having different games. Your favorite snake games is there, like that. Now the next, in case if you want to try for animal sounds, just go for it. Just try for different animal sound, whichever is having. You will have a fun with all different animal sounds. So these are all the different tips and tricks we are having in Chrome. We will come up with different tips and tricks for other thing as well. Just follow the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.